So maybe in your life, you just need to take a step back and look at how God provided historically in your life. So I'm desperate. I'm grabbing at stuff. Maybe you should slow down and just for a moment think back to how God made a way where there seemed to be no way. We are so occupied and preoccupied by fear that we don't even see what God has done. Thank you that yesterday this happened or didn't happen. And as you start to be thankful for what God has done, you would start to see, but wait, God has done so much more in my life than what I am feeling on this moment. So there's something about gratitude in this moment of desperation where I stand before God, I'm seeking Him, and I become grateful. Surely you will do it again. Because I don't know how. The only way God can bring you out of a situation or provide is when we acknowledge that we can't do it by ourselves. If we're stuck in let's fix it mode, I'm going to make a plan. We sort of do not give God permission to fix it on our behalf.